Hello everyone, we are Group 59 and today we are thrilled to introduce our AI town projects to you. And as you can see, we got an AI town here. We have dozens of agents that can do their own things and communicate to each other. And we can check the dialogues here or hide this here. And let me walk you through our projects first. So our projects, why do we choose these projects? Besides it's interesting, we are curious how the behavior will changes. The behavior of the agents will changes after we changes the prompts of the workflows. And also, we believe it's necessary to help the researchers to have a quicker analyze of the experimental results. Why? Because you see, if you want to check a single agent's behavior or dialogues, you need to press the agents and to check where they are and what they are doing, right? So it's not quite convenient. And also, you don't know if you want to see the dialogues of the agents. You can't really just choose who is speaking. So it's not quite convenient, right? So we applied a rack system to have an agent or a large language model to assist you through the whole results. Yeah. So you can ask the question and ask the agents to reply. This is the whole structure of our projects. And the first part, generative agent cycle, comes from the original paper that was released by the Stanford team on 2023. Yeah, and second part and third part is applied by ourselves. Yeah, this is a more detailed structure. So let me show you what we did in the original workflow. So the most important part is the agents class. As you see, we put the meaning levels here and prompts inside the meaning level to ask the agents to think through their behaviors and generate their behaviors based on these prompts. And we set the meaning levels in different levels, right? And to make the projects easier, we just put the meaning levels to 0.2. Yeah, which is really a low meaning level. And after we did this, the whole conversation and the behaviors of the agents changed. Now we're seeing the original behavior, which is quite normal, right? And after we applied the prompts, which is not quite normal, we can see the agents is not quite behaving well. They're thinking and they're just stuck in their own person's own stories, and yeah, they're not quite doing well, right? And also, we made a third change, which is a second change, which is we ask the agents to make positive efforts to solve their own problems, which means we ask them to do their best to recover. So after applying this to our system, the whole conversation actually changed. You can see the agents are trying to be positive in their conversations, which is very interesting. Yeah. So as the second part, the existential model here, and let me show you the third part, the rack system. So to start the rack system is quite easy. Just to press the rack system and press start here. It may take some while. We made a web page. And before introducing the web page, let me show you the original results. The results is saved inside results compressed, and here are the project's names. So for example, we check the first projects, and here are the results. So if you are the researchers, you can just, if you want to check somebody's behavior, you can just look through the whole JSON documents, right? It's just nonsense. It's quite a bunch of informations. And also, as I mentioned, it's not quite useful to check on this website too, right? So we need to have a rec system where you can ask the agents to help you. Let me start the rec system here. Yes, as you see, this is the web page, and you can choose different projects here. For example, we choose the test, and also you can see here are the status. We have already vectorized it to save the time. And let me ask the question here. Yes, I asked the large language model to summarize the agent's behavior. Yes, and because it may take some time, but it's quite fast because we is already generating the answers here. We use the flow to show the results, so you can see the results is generating word by word, and we use the large language models locally because we use the Olama to apply the models. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite well. Actually, is summarizing different people's different behaviors, and yeah, I think maybe we can ask another questions. Maybe here. Something like this. You can ask quite different questions. And we use 千问4B as the answering as the analyzing models. Yeah, and we also use the embedding model. Yes, as you can see, here's the generation of the results. Okay, and that's all for our projects, and you can visit our projects here on the GitHub. It's open sourced, and thanks to we are really graduated for the papers and the original projects and Chinese version projects which we reproduced according to. Okay, that's all for our projects. We are group 59. Thank you very much.